Welcome to our live show. Welcome to Glory. Welcome to Doing Holdings live show. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys, to our live show. Do you have any? If you're interested in cook oil process machine, you need extracting oil equipment we can provide for you. Welcome, guys, to our live show. We are doing holdings. We mainly produce equipment extracting edible oil such as soybean oil, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, and cottonseed oil, and so on, and palm oil and palm kernel oil. And today our topic is the peanut oil and other edible oil pricing and pre-treatment equipment. We will introduce process and equipment feature for you. So guys, if you need our equipment, or if you're interested in edible oil equipment, you can enter our live show and follow us to learn about this equipment and the feature. If you need the production line or single machine, you can find our contact information in comment area and send a private message or an email for us. Our assistant can reply it for you. Welcome, guys, to our live show. If you have any question, you can, or if you have some need about extracting edible oil, you can enter our live show. We will introduce the peanut or other edible oil pre-treatment and pricing machine. Now you can see this video. It is peanut oil pre-treatment and pricing production line. And today we will use this 3 video to show peanut oil, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil pre-treatment and pricing process. First, let me introduce our company. We are doing holdings. We mainly produce equipment for extracting soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, sunflower oil, palm oil, and palm kernel oil, and so on. And if you need single machine or production line, you can enter our live show. We will introduce our equipment and this equipment feature and our process. Welcome, guys, to our live show. Welcome. You can enter our live show and follow us to learn about our equipment. And our company was established in 2011, and we have 14 years experience for manufacturing edible oil equipment. And our equipment was exported for 120 countries and regions. So if you want to find a good company for edible oil equipment, you can enter our live show, and we can arrange right sales manager for you, and we can send our private message, send our private project document for you. You can learn about our private project, and we can provide free quotation and configuration plan and so on service for you. Our company has its own factory and engineering team, so we can provide this customized. So guys, if you have some need, some specific equipment needs or some questions, we can arrange that sales manager and our engineer for you to design production line for you. And our company has overseas warehouse in Nigeria, and if your factory is out of China, we can transport equipment from our warehouse to save you time and you transport cost. Okay guys, this is our company. The above is our company introduction. If you're interested in if you're interested in equipment for extracting soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, and so on, edible oil equipment, you can enter our live show. And today, our live show topic is peanut and other edible oil pre-treatment and pricing machine. We will use this 3D video to show the process and equipment feature for you. You can follow us to learn about it. Welcome guys. If you have some need about edible oil equipment, you can enter our live show. And now let's see this 3D video. This video is peanut pre-treatment and pricing production line, and this production line, this process is divided to several steps. It includes cleaning, husking, and cracking, flaking, pricing, and filtering. Because the peanut has shell, and the shell's oil content is very low, so the shell need to be removed first. So before cleaning, we should design a hollow and kernel husk splitter to split kernel and peanut husk. And after husking, this step is cleaning. And in cleaning, we will use 3 machines to remove impurities, to split the impurities and our peanut oil seeds. The first machine is vibrate cleaning sieve, where has specific plate, and the oil seeds with impurities can be splatted by twist, by vibrate, and then the impurities can be removed. The second machine is this, the small clean machine. This is a magnetic splitter. It can observe the metal impurities and split the metal impurities with peanut. The last cleaning machine is the destoner. They also has a specific sieve, and inside has a fan. So because the impurities in our peanut specific gravity is different, it can be spread. It can move to different way, and then the peanut is clean, so it can fall down to the crusher. There has many roller, and the peanut ounces can be spread for 3 to 8 parts. This step propose to decrease the pricing to decrease oilseeds pricing oil distance and increase the pricing efficiency. And after crushing, the oilseeds enter the softening pot. This is a vertical layer softening pot. Except this, we also have a cooker. The function is same. And in the softening pot, we can adjust the temperature and internal moisture to make it easy for next stage. The next stage is flaking. This is a flaking roll, and there also has a ruler, and but the ruler gap is smaller. So the oilseeds need to be really destroy structure, and the seed structure can be destroyed. So the oil can released from the seal. And after flaking, this stage is cooking to adjust the temperature and moisture before pricing, make to increase oil yield. And after flaking, we will get the we will get the small mill, and it can be easier to adjust moisture and temperature. The adjust effect is higher, is better. Okay, next. After cooking, the next stage is pricing. Now I'm introducing the peanut pre-treatment and pricing process, and I'm introducing the pre-treatment and pricing equipment and this equipment feature. Guys, if you're interested in the edible oil equipment, if you need the equipment for edible oil, you can enter our live show, and we can provide this equipment for you, such as filter and presser and cracker, softening pot. These extract oil for soybean oil, peanut oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil equipment, all we can provide for you. Single machine and production line, we all have. Okay, and this stage is pricing. This is our price machine, but this video is showing the large-scale pre-treatment and pricing production line. So in this video, we set a pre-treatment presser. This presser have a cooker to adjust the temperature before presser one more time to extremely control and increase the oil yield. After press, the crude oil flow down to the oil residual scrubber, and there has a filter close, so it can first filtering the crude oil and transport the oil residual to the presser to press one more time, and the crude oil sent to the clean oil tank. And this is a clean oil tank, and the oil can stay inside to settling to spread the small impurities with crude oil. And the internal also have a sludge machine. It also transports the small impurities to presser. Then is the last stage is filtering. In medium and large scale, we always use the leaf filter because it has a high degree of automation, and internal and inside the filter plate clean don't need worker. It can clean by itself. There has a vibration hammer, and so it can remove the impurities cake from the filter plate, and then the oil residual cake be transported to the filling workshop. Okay, next we do is large scale sunflower oil pre-treatment and the pricing process. The first step still is cleaning. In cleaning, we will use 3 machines. This machine is vibrating sieve, and there has specific sieve screen. And it can spread the impurities with our oil seeds by twisting. And then, guys, if you're interested in our equipment for extracting edible oil, you can enter our live show, and I will introduce the pre-treatment and pricing process. If you have any question, you can type them on comment area, and I will answer them for you. Welcome, guys. Today our topic is peanut and other edible oil pricing machine, include production line equipment. So if you're interested or if you have some need, you can enter our live show about the edible oil equipment. And after vibrating sieve, the next machine is this magnetic splitter. It can absorb the metal impurities to prevent the metal for subsequent machine. And this cleaning machine is a distorter, and inside also has a specific sieve and sieve plate, and there has a fan. The impurities in the oil seeds, the specific gravity is different, so according to this we can spread them. After cleaning, the sunflower will enter this. This is a hammer. It can break the out shake, but the sunflower kernel is complete. And after husking, the mixture of kernel and shell will enter the bucket elevator, sent to the kernel husk spreader. This is a kernel husk spreader, and there has a fan, can observe the shell to spread the kernel and shell. Then the clean the kernel, sunflower kernel into the bucket elevator and sent to the flaking. This is flaking roll. There has ruler to destroy the structure of sunflower kernel, to destroy for seal and room. We will get the seamless. And next, the seamless will enter the cooker. This is a vertical layer cooker. In this cooker, we can adjust the temperature and internal moisture, and because the last stage is flaking, so its size is too small. It can make it easier to adjust the moisture and temperature. It can make the adjust effect is better. So next, adjust the oil seed into the pricing step. Okay, now I'm introducing the sunflower oil pretreatment and the pricing production line and the process. Because if you're interested in our equipment, if you need the equipment for extracting soybean oil or rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, and sunflower oil, and so on, you can enter our live show, and we can use 3D video to show our process, to introduce our equipment features. If you have some need, you can type them on our comment area. This is a sunflower oil pretreatment and pricing machine. This is a presser, and this presser has a cooker. This is a pretreat presser. It's suitable for medium and large scale production line. And it can more exact adjust the temperature and increase the oil yield. After this is our price cage. The oil seeds be priced inside, and after pricing, the crude oil flow out into the oil residual scrubber. Enter this, and the scrubber internal has many layers. It has filter cleanse, so it can first filter the crude oil and separate the small impurity with crude oil, and then because it also like a conveyor, and it can move the small impurities back to the presser to press again, decrease the oil residual. And next, the scrubber transport the crude oil into this oil clarification tank. In this clarification oil tank, the crude oil settling and the impurities settles below, and the chlorine oil tank has a this large machine. It also can send the impurities back to presser. The last stage is filtering. This stage is filtering. In the medium and large scale production line, we always use this leaf filter. Its capacity is larger and it has high degree of automatic, and it cleaning don't need worker. It can by itself. And active filtering is under the negative pressure environment. And after filtering, the crude oil can be pumped to the oil storage tank for next stage for refining to remove the free fatty acids or some pigment molecular or odorous molecular to make the quality of crude oil is better. And the oil residue flows down to the conveyor and be transported to the oil package to the oil residue package workshop, because the oil residue is a good byproduct for the price step. It also has a high value. This video is Rapeseed pretreatment and pricing production line. Today we will introducing different edible vegetable oil pretreatment and pricing process. So guys, if you have specific project plan, so you can type you need, your capacity, your raw material, and common area. We can answer them for you, and I can introduce in the process for you. Or if you want to get full quotation or configuration plan or a selection guide, you can find our email address and our WhatsApp information on common area, and send a private message for us to contact us, and our assistant and we can reply it for you, can arrange the right sales manager for you to solve your need, to solve your problems. Because the rapeseed oilseeds size is smaller, and the oilseeds internal moisture is okay, so don't need more step to treat it. So Rapeseed pretreatment and pricing process includes several steps: cleaning, flaking, and cooking, pricing, and filtering. Just 5 stages can get high yield and high quality crude rapeseed oil. And this step is cleaning. We can use 3 machines. This is a vibrating screen. Vibrating screen safe to remove dust, stone, and some weed and so on, and some other impurities. And the second machine is this magnetic spreader to observe the metal impurities to decrease the metal impurities will for subsequent machine such as presser and flaking roll. So this equipment is all important. And the last cleaning machine is a distorter. It can remove stone and other big impurities. After cleaning, the rapeseed oil seeds falls down to the flaking bowl to destroy the structure of rapeseed oil seeds. This machine can destroy to the cell structure. After flaking, the oil seeds will become a thin slates, and the slates is broken. We can get thin broken slates. The slates is easier to adjust internal moisture and temperature. Next stage is cooking. This equipment is a large capacity vertical layer cooker. Except this in small and medium scale production line, we also can have the roaster. It is small, and we have different capacity cooker can equip for you. And after cooking, the oil seeds can reach the pricing level. After this pre-treatment step, the oil yield is higher. So the oil seed enters the presser. This is a screw presser. This presser can control temperature internal. And after pressing, the crude oil into the oil residual scrubber. some small impurities transport to bucket elevator, then enter the presser to press again to decrease the oil residual rate, and the crude oil enters the oil clearing tank. In medium and large scale, we always set this tank to control the production efficiency, and the crude oil settles inside, can separate the impurities with the crude oil. Next, after pressing, the crude oil can be pumped to the leaf filter to remove small impurities. And after filtering, the crude oil is cleaner, so it can be pumped to the oil storage tank for next stage for sale, for refinery. It's okay. And after pressing, the oil residual falls down to the conveyor, transport to the new bucket workshop. Okay. Turn off this video. Yes, let's see our machine. We can use this picture to show our equipment and introduce our feature of equipment. And first, let's see the oil press machine. We have many kinds of oil press suitable for different oil seeds. And the first is hydraulic oil press machine. Its capacity is smaller, and it suitable for high oil content oil seeds such as peanuts, flaxseed, sesame, rapeseed, sunflower oil, cotton oil, soybean, and more than 30 kinds of oil seeds. And it is suitable for small-scale oil factory, and oil factory. But the advantage is small footprint, and it's cheap. It just need low investment. You can have it, and it's easy to operate. But it needs worker. It needs worker to put, and it needs worker to remove the new after price. But it is suitable for many kinds of oil seeds. So guys, if you are small scale, if you wanna invest a small scale oil factory, and your raw material has high oil content, you can use this hydraulic oil press machine. It is cheap, and except this kind, we always have screw oil press machine. Its capacity is large. Its capacity more than 1.3 tons per day, and this is a simple screw oil press machine. Except this, we have automatic temperature control screw oil press machine, and with with filter screw oil press machine. We have 3 cans of screw oil press machine. We can equip it according to your need. So guys, if you have some need about oil press machine or some extract oil, the equipment for extract oil for soybean, rapeseed oil seeds, and some other edible oil, you can enter our live show. And guys, if you have some need, or if you have some, if you need free quotation, if you need free configuration plan, you can send a private message for us. Our contact information in our comment area. You can find them and send an email or a private message for us. And this service is free. Don't be worried, guys. We are professional equipment company. We mainly produce equipment for extract edible oil, and we have 14 experience for manufacturing equipment for edible oil, such as pre-treatment step, press step, and solvent extract oil step, and refinery step, and the vaccine step, fractionation step, and so on. Entire extract oil equipment we all have, and we can provide for you. And the next press machine is double screw cold oil press machine. Its capacity suitable for more than 10 tons per day. Its capacity is large, and it is suitable for tin seed, peanut seed, flaxseed, sesame, and oil seeds. It all can be used for this machine. This oil seeds can use this machine. It can stay more oilseed flavor for custom, and its advantage is suitable for cold pressing. It can stay more flavor and more neutralization. It also suitable for many kinds of oil seeds. You can use for different oil seeds donated by other presser, and it has high degree of automation, and it has high oil yield. And next press machine is oil press machine with filter. The capacity also is 1.3 tons per day, more than this capacity, or we can provide for you. And its function include pressing and filtering. So if you just want to buy one equipment, you can choose this. And it also can use for many kinds of oil seeds, can control internal temperature, can automatically control internal price environment, and it is cheap, can give you high oil quality, because this filter is under vacuumized. so the crude oil quality is higher to prevent the crude oil from oxidizing. And thus, if you interested in our equipment and if you have some need, we can provide the full quotation, can provide configuration plan or section guide for you. This one is free, so if you have some need, you can find our contact information in comment area and send a private message in background or send an email for us. This contact information in our comment area is have, and our assistant can reply it for you later. Okay, next price machine is large oil price machine. In the past, we see the price in 3D video is this, and it's suitable for medium and large scale edible oil factory. You can see its capacity is large, and it also suitable for many kinds of oil seeds, and its advantage is automatic and its efficiency is higher than before, and its capacity is large. We can design it for PLC intelligent control system. Don't need worker. It can save you labor cost. And next part is palm oil and palm kernel oil price machine. So guys, if you need palm oil extracting production line or single machine, or we can provide it for you. We have two kinds of palm oil presser. The first is single screw palm oil presser. Its capacity is 300 kilogram per hour to 500 kilogram per hour, and it is suitable for small scale palm oil factory. And this presser has two power system, includes diesel and electric system. You can choose power system according to your need, according to local environment, and two power system single screw presser, or we can provide for you. And it is cheap and small footprint, and it's easy to operate. But its capacity is lower, and it needs worker to control it. Need worker to control internal pressure. And next, if you need a large scale, or if you want to invest a medium and large scale palm oil factory, we can provide this double screw palm oil presser. Its capacity is more than 1 ton to 2 tons per hour, and its internal pressure controlled by hydraulic pump station and the reducer and the till. Don't need worker. It is automatic, and its oil yield is higher than the single screw palm oil presser, and it also easy to operate, and it can be used in palm oil pressing line. The single screw can't used for production line. This is our 2 cans of palm oil price line. Palm oil pricer. The next is our palm kernel oil pricer. Its capacity is 500 kilogram per hour, and this pricer also have a control temperature system. It is automatic, and the internal screw is specific design. It has great wear resistant, and it's easy to operate. It also can be used in palm kernel oil pricing line. Its lifespan is longer, so don't worry about our material. It after many times upgrade. The next is a production line equipment. We have different capacity production line, and our equipment suitable for different kinds of oilseeds. And our company has its own factory, engineer team. We can support special customized. So that's if you need production line or single machine about the equipment of extract edible oil, all equipment we can provide for you. So guys, welcome to our live show. I can introducing the edible oil pre-treatment and pricing equipment for you. You can follow us to know about it. The first type is small oil price line. Its capacity is 1 to 10 tons per day. It includes a roaster, a conveyor, and an oil press machine with filter. And if you don't want this machine, we can equip a screw oil presser and a filter. Our production line can design according to need and your capacity. So guys, if you're interested or if you need the equipment of extract edible oil, you can enter our live show. We're a professional equipment of extract edible oil company. Include soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, and sunflower oil, palm kernel oil equipment. All we can provide for you. And if you have some need or if you have any questions, you can type them on comment area. I will introduce them for you. And if you need full quotation, configuration plan, or selection guide, you can send a private message for us. Our assistant can reply for you. Our contact information in comment area. You can find our WhatsApp information and our WeChat number. You can send a private message or email for us. And next is medium or large scale oil price. Then its equipment is more complete. It includes cleaning step and flaking, cooking, pressing, filtering. In cleaning, we equip the vibrating screen magnetic splitter and distorter in this part. And next, after cleaning, the oil seeds will enter the cracker to destroy the structure. Makes the next stage is easier to treat and makes the price distance is shorter. And next is softening pot. To the softening pot is used for adjust temperature and internal moisture. It is the purpose of next stage to increase the quotation of meal and pricing crude oil. And after softening is flaking. It's flaking step. We'll use the flaking roll to thoroughly destroy the structure. It destroy can reach the cell structure. And after flaking is cooking. The cooker function is similar as the softening pot, but the cooker purpose for next stage for pricing makes the oil seeds is more suitable for price level to increase the oil yield. And next is pricing. We will use the next stage is pricing. We will use the pricer. This is the price machine. And after pricing, the crude oil will flow down to the oil residual scrubber. It's under the ground. And the scrubber internal has a plate has flat close. It can remove the small impurities with crude oil and transport the impurities back to presser to press again and transport the crude oil to filtering. In medium and large scale oil production line, we will equip the clearing oil tank to control the production efficiency, and it also can settle the crude oil. And the last step is filtering. We'll use the leaf filter. This leaf filter has high degree of automation. Don't need worker to clean, and it is filtering into the vacuumized state. Under the negative pressure state, it can prevent the crude oil from oxidizing to increase the quality of crude oil. And after filtering, the crude oil will be clean, can be pumped to the oil storage tank for next stage. This is medium and or large scale production line. Its equipment is more complete, and its process is this. In the past, I've introduced it. Finally, we will get the cooking oil, and the oil you can directly sell it, and you can equip a refinery production line to remove internal impurities such as free fatty oil, free fatty acids, and odorous molecular, pigment molecular, phospholipid, and so on, and some how is that element. The refining production line can increase the quantity of edible oil. After refining, the oil can be sold for supermarket or online channel. Next part is palm oil price line. Okay, guys, do you have any questions? If you have any questions, you can type them on comment area because our live show is on time. I will end it. If you have any questions, you can type them on comment area, and you also can follow us. Or if you need our free quotation, need the selection guide, need the configuration plan, you can send a private message or an email for us. Our contact information in comment area. Have us WhatsApp number, WeChat number, and mobile number. You can call us or send a private message for us. This device is free. Don't be worried. Okay. Now we will end this live show. See you next time.